I want to tell you about these tenacious Ergodyne work gear bag. It's a wire management bag. I've had it for a number of years. It is a durable canvas. It has these strap handles, these two shorter handles, durable zipper. It holds my jumper cables. But the thing that I love about it is that there's a couple of pockets here and here. It's just a good, sturdy bag. I've had it for 5 years. It sits right underneath the back seat of my truck. It's been kicked around by my kids. You can hardly even tell that it's 5 years old. I was shocked when I looked up when I got it, but it's a great bag. I would definitely get it again. And if I needed another pair of jumper cables, I'd buy this bag to manage my wire. It's also got a weatherproof type lining inside. A little bit like an SUP type vinyl. But yeah, it keeps everything nice and tight and secure. I highly recommend it.